ahead and cleaned out my chicken coop, and I have some chicken manure over here that I'm gonna go ahead and put around as many banana plants as I can. Now, it cost me a lot of money to raise and feed the chickens, so I'm gonna reap the rewards of some nice manure. So you can kind of see some of it's fresh, but most of it's powder. And I'm not going to put it right on the plant, but I'm going to put it around, and the rain will wash it in. So I just finished cleaning out the coop, and I got to dispose of it. So this is what I do. Okay, that's what the manure looks like. You seen me go ahead and spread it all the way around. So when I go ahead and put it on, I'm not skimping, I'm putting it all the way around. So you can see right there, it's all the way around. And the rain is gonna go ahead and wash that in. Now I'm starting over here, but I'm gonna do all the plants that have racks on them, and I'm gonna work my way around and try to get them all. So utilize what you got, and the banana plants will reap the rewards. Okay, so I hope you liked my little video on fertilizing banana plants with chicken manure. If you did, give me a like, give me a share. Come on over to my Facebook Banana Lovers group. The link is in the video description. Hope to see you there.